Hi everyone, and welcome to English Step by Step. Today we'll learn how to distinguish between formal and informal letters, a vital skill for IGCSE students preparing for directed writing tasks. What are formal and informal letters? Formal letters are written for official or professional purposes, such as applying for a job, complaining to a company, writing to a principal. Informal letters are written to people you know personally, like friends, family members, someone you're close to. Key differences. Here's a quick comparison. Formal letter example. Scenario: write a letter to the principal of your school requesting permission to organize a charity event. Dear Madam. Subject: request for permission to organize a charity event. I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to seek your kind permission to organize a charity event at our school to raise funds for the local orphanage. The event, planned for 25th February, will include a bake sale, games, and a talent show. Students from all grades will participate, ensuring it is both enjoyable and meaningful. We believe this initiative will instill values of compassion and responsibility in students. We kindly request the use of the school auditorium and field for the event. Additionally, we seek your approval to invite parents as guests. Thank you for considering our proposal. We are happy to discuss this further at your convenience. Yours faithfully, Jenny Smith, Head Prefect. Informal letter example. Scenario: write a letter to your best friend inviting them to your birthday party. Hi Alex, how's it going? It's been ages since we last caught up, and I really miss our chats. Guess what? My birthday is coming up on 12th March, and I'm throwing a small party at home. It'll be a relaxed evening with food, games, and some good music. Of course, it wouldn't be the same without you. Do bring along your favorite board game. Let me know if you can make it so I can plan accordingly. Really looking forward to catching up. Hope all is well on your end. Take care, Jenny. To summarize: 1. Use formal letters for official purposes and informal letters for personal connections. 2. Keep the tone, structure, and vocabulary appropriate for your audience. 3. Always proofread for grammar, spelling, and tone. That's all for today. Now it's your turn. Write a formal and informal letter using today's tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Step by Step. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.